If you want to delete a playlist on Spotify, you are at the right place. We have got the best methods to do it. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. You now have the option to remove playlists that you did not create from the library. A playlist of this type will be removed from your Spotify library but not erased. Here is how to carry it out. To delete a playlist, right-click on it. To remove something from your library, click Delete. Once the confirmation window appears, confirm the action. You can now remove certain Spotify playlists from your account using the website, but not others. All shared playlists are kept on Spotify's server. This implies that the other subscribers and followers of that playlist can still access them, even if you have deleted them from your library. You have to use the app to manually remove every tune from a playlist if you don't want your followers to be able to access it. And the process is, open the Spotify app and choose the desired playlist. To highlight every track, click the first track and use the Shift plus down arrow keys to pick all of the tracks, or hold down the Shift key and press the first song and last song. To remove a track from your playlist, right-click on it and pick Remove from this playlist from the menu. To ensure that there is no music visible to anyone clicking on the playlist, follow the preceding procedures to remove the songs. Method 2. Regretfully, unlike songs, not all playlists are selectable. You will need to find an alternative. Here is how to swiftly delete every playlist. Launch the Spotify app on your PC, then click the horizontal ellipsis symbol and then File. Click New Folder for Playlist. Select every playlist you have into the playlist folder. Right-click on the folder and choose Delete to remove it completely. Method 3. One of the most downloaded streaming apps from the App Store is Spotify. But now you have the ability to modify your playlists in either case. Here is how to take a Spotify playlist off of an iPhone. To open the app, tap the Spotify icon. Select the Your Library tab located in the lower right corner. In the upper right corner, press and hold the 3 horizontal dots. Choose Delete Playlist from the Settings menu by swiping down. You will see a pop-up box asking if you wish to remove the playlist. Press Delete to make sure. Method 4. On Android devices, you can also delete a whole playlist from your account. Here is how to get rid of a Spotify playlist on an Android device. Open the app. To delete a playlist, choose it by opening the Library tab in the lower right corner of the screen. Underneath the playlist title, click the 3 vertical dots. Choose Delete Playlist from the menu of alternatives, then tap on Delete. Method 5. You have the ability to permanently remove playlists you have generated. You can quickly select a playlist on the left sidebar, or you can click the Your Library button on the left sidebar and then select Playlists to access your playlists. Click the 3 dots or right-click on the playlist. After that, you will be able to select Remove from this playlist. In this way, you can delete all Spotify playlists on the desktop. And there you have it. These 5 solutions help you to delete a playlist on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.